Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. So our today's topic is how to set up PIX-LINK AC28 dual-band Wi-Fi extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for multiple devices like phones, laptops, and smart TV, then this PIX-LINK AC28 extender setup is one of the best. Basically, the PIX-LINK AC28 dual-band Wi-Fi extender helps boost your router's signal to remove dead zones and improve internet speed in every corner of your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the PIX-LINK AC28 into a wall socket near router. Wait 30 to 60 seconds. Power LED becomes solid. Do not place far from router during setup. Open Wi-Fi settings on phone/laptop. Look for network name like PIX-LINK 2.4G, PIX-LINK 5G. Tap Connect. No password usually, or check sticker. You may see no internet, that's normal. Once connected to the PIX-LINK network, open your preferred browser, e.g., Chrome, Safari. Enter the IP address. In the browser's address bar, type the default IP address for PIX-LINK WR09, 192.168.10.1. Press Enter. A PIX-LINK login page will appear. The default credentials are typically username, admin password, admin, or leave it blank depending on the model. Note, if you can't access this page, check the manual for the correct IP address and credentials, as they can vary slightly between models. You will see different modes, repeater mode or AP mode. Select repeater mode. Click Next/Apply. Repeater mode is used to extend existing Wi-Fi. The AX06 will now scan nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list will appear. Select your main router Wi-Fi name, SSID. Click Connect/Next. Carefully type your router's Wi-Fi password. Make sure, correct uppercase lowercase no extra spaces. Click Apply/Save. Wrong password means no internet after setup. You may see Wi-Fi name options, same as router, or add suffix like _ext, example, home Wi-Fi _ext. Click Save/Apply. Password will usually remain the same as your router. Now the PIX-LINK AC28 will restart automatically. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. LEDs will blink means connecting, solid means connected successfully. Place extender, halfway between router weak signal area. Not behind walls or metal. Now setup is complete. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.